Hi, this is Brett for the Food Reviewer in China. Today we're going to be reviewing onion compressed biscuits. This means bingan, so biscuit. The package is very hard. I have a feeling it's going to be something like hardtack, like back in the Civil War. But I'm going to tell you if it's a buy. So if you're ever in China, get hardtack, or whatever this is going to be. So let's open up the package. Oh, this is looking pretty nice. So as you can see inside, we have a brick. Looks like a piece of marble. It just tastes like some sort of onion flavor. I don't know if you're expected just to eat this. It's looking pretty sketchy. Yeah, it just smells like salt. So let's try it out. It's actually not very hard. You bite into it, it's crumbles real easily. But there's not a whole lot of flavor to it. It's just kind of gritty and kind of leaves a gummy, gooey taste in your mouth. The flavor of onion compressed biscuits is not, it's not bursting in my mouth. I don't know. It's like, I don't know. I'm just disappointed there's not a burst of some sort of flavor. It's just there's not some sort of like army trampling my taste buds. It's just nasty, gooey taste. So, onion compressed biscuits are not a buy. See you next time on Food Reviewer in China.